व्हाट विल यू डू? आपके सबसे फेवरेट एंड लविंग इंसान ने आपको एक गिफ्ट लाके दिया है, तो आप उसका कितने साल तक ध्यान रखोगे? हाँ, सी, फॉर एवर। यस, एनीवन एल्स? लाइफ लॉन्ग, ओके, लाइफ टाइम, होल लाइफ, जब तक हो सके, टिल डेथ। तो आपके ही एक फेवरेट है यूनिवर्स। आप चाहे उनके, आप मानते हो ना मानते हो, पर यूनिवर्स के आप फेवरेट हो। उन्होंने आपको एक चीज फ्री में दी है। उन्होंने आपको एक चीज फ्री में दी है। क्या है, बता सकते हो मुझे? क्विकली इन द चैट विंडो, क्या दिया है? नॉट स्माइल। आवर लाइफ, वो तो पेरेंट्स ने दिया है। नो। ऑक्सीजन, नो। ओ माय गॉड, आई एम सरप्राइज कि कोई ये शब्द नहीं लिख पा रहा है। वन पर्सन इज रियली क्लोज, नेहा जी। नो। हेल्थ। हमें ये बॉडी, ये हेल्थ फ्री में मिली है, गिफ्ट मिला है। क्या हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है? क्या ये हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है कि हम इसका ख्याल रखें? आर बॉडी इज लाइक अ टेम्पल और एनी स्पिरिचुअल प्लेस, और हम क्या क्या कचरा उसमें डालते रहते हैं। यस, क्या क्या कचरा डालते रहते हैं। किसी ने कुछ कह दिया, संभाल के रखो, किसी ने कुछ कर दिया, संभाल के रखो। नेगेटिव विचार, पता नहीं क्या क्या हम अंदर संभाल के रखते हैं। अब मान लो आपका घर है, आपके घर में आप दूसरों का कचरा रखोगे या दूसरे ने दिया हुआ कचरा रखोगे? मैं इतना सारा कूड़ा और रद्दी लाके आपके पास दे देती हूँ, रखो मेरे तरफ से गिफ्ट, आप रखोगे? नहीं रखोगे। तो फिर आपने आपके दिमाग में, शरीर में, मन में क्यों रखा है? Why have you kept the garbage of others in your life, in your mind, in your body? Your body is a spiritual place. It's a gift from universe. You are responsible. You should take care of your body. And we ignore it. We ignore it. हम दूसरों का ध्यान रखने में इतने बिजी हो जाते हैं, we become so busy taking care of others that we forget our health, our body, and our mental state. How fair it is, how fair it is that ignoring your health, ignoring your body, you're taking care of others. Will not that body feel insulted, ignored, sad, hurt, pain? And you know why this pain comes up again and again? You know why? That's not pain. That is a non-verbal message to you. You didn't take care of me, no, I'm feeling hurt. बच्चे को दर्द होता है ना, तो माँ को तकलीफ होती है, पिता को तकलीफ होती है। यस, सेंस कर पाते हैं। Our body parts, they sense and they show it that way. So the pain is why? Because you ignored it. Your knees are paining today because somewhere you ignored it. You didn't take care of it. You didn't give that part healthy food, nourishment, massage, or not even you spend few seconds to keep your hand and say, hey, thank you. Today I ran a lot. Today I could walk. Today I could dance. Thank you, my knees, for staying strong. No, we don't even remember to say this. We don't even remember to say this. हम जब ट्रिप घूम के आते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा दूर घूम के आते हैं, we don't come home and say, hey, thank you, body. Today you gave me so much support that I could go, enjoy, dance, do everything, walk. We don't have time. We don't have that kind of thought. उस तरह का हमारे पास सोच ही नहीं है कि हमने कुछ समय देना चाहिए कोई एक्टिविटी करने के बाद. We go to somebody's home, we are called for a dinner, we are being served with good things, good food, good platter, and in the end, what do we say before going or before leaving that place? Hey, thank you, that was a lovely party, good welcoming and lovely food, tasty food, delicious food, thank you so much. Yeah, we have learned all that manners. Who taught you? Who taught you this? Then when you used your body somewhere, you should take some time and say, hey, thank you. And when your body feels ignored, it starts reacting that way, not responding, but reacting. When it responds, it's with love, it's taking care of you. But when it's reacting, that means it's in pain. We have ignored, we have not been thankful. How many of you are agreeing to this point when I'm saying, yes, actually, we didn't think of it? कि अरे आज हमने रोटियां बेली, तो we are supposed to say, hey, thank you, I had that strength in my hand that I could make rotis. How many of you say when you were driving, you said, wow, I had strong hands, so I could drive? Imagine you have hands. Imagine tomorrow these hands are not there. Cancel. You won't be even able to comb your hair, wash your face, eat your food, even pick up anything. I mean, shouldn't you be thankful and grateful for every part, every organ which is working just the right way it is? You're not even charging them with your charging plug, the way you charge your mobile. You're not even charging it, but it's still working for you. Shouldn't you be thankful? क्या वो आपका कर्तव्य नहीं है? आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है? Everything comes here first with yourself. It should be in your everyday affirmation. I'm thankful for every body part, every organ for functioning and working so well. Thank you. This should be your affirmation, like by default. And my Reiki healers say, I've taught them this sentence. Every cell in my body is super intelligent and it knows how to heal by itself. And I'm thankful. It works miraculously. It heals you miraculously. वो आपको miraculously heal करता है. जब आप कहते हो ना, आपके शरीर का हर एक कण कण इतना इतना स्पिरिचुअल है, इतना इंटेलिजेंट है कि वो खुद ब खुद हील हो जाता है. आई एम थैंकफुल फॉर दिस. So please add this sentence into your affirmation, daily affirmation. It has to be there. Health is actually wealth. Actually wealth. तो आज आप अगर डांस कर रहे हो, you should be thankful that you have that kind of body that you are able to move. Isn't it? Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe and click on the bell button and of course comment करना भूलना नहीं है. आपको अगर एक्सपर्ट बनना है, सॉल्यूशंस बनना है मेरी तरह, आई एम अ रेकी मास्टर टीचर, हीलर एंड सॉल्यूशनिस्ट. अगर आप भी अपने लाइफ को हील करना चाहते हो तो मेरे वेबसाइट के लिंक पर क्लिक कीजिए और आपको वहां सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे.